looking at the jukebox selection, and I've never seen a cuter behind. I had to rush away